Hello, namaste, and welcome. This side is Meena. Today I'm going to discuss with you quality of service. In your organization, you definitely are having some applications which are critical to your organization. And when the data is coming from those applications and need to pass through the network, and if there is a congestion in the network or there is a limitation in the network, you want to make assurance or say kind of guarantee that when the traffic is coming from those applications which are critical to be passed through the network on the priority basis. Okay, thank God we have the quality of service. So administrator can say configure, yes, this is the important traffic, it need to be passed through the network first or on the priority basis. Clear? As you can see here, there are a small network of a company, and there are different kind of devices like the devices like IP phone is here, or the data that is coming from the end devices. Okay, or there is data that is coming from the servers. There can be the video conferencing in your organization. So when the data is coming from different devices and need to pass through the network, suppose that there is this is the head office and there is a branch office, they need to communicate with each other, need to transfer some traffic, but the exiting device, which is here in case router, having the limited bandwidth, okay, limited speed of the network, because every device, the interfaces they are having, they have the limited bandwidths, or we can say limited speed through which they can send and receive the data. Okay, and if the data that is coming to the device and other type of traffic it is going to pass through, and one critical application that came, for example, the traffic came from voice, and it is kind of traffic that cannot wait, because every traffics are not equal. There are certain traffic which if delay will be there, then quality will degrade. Clear? In this case, voice traffic, video, audio traffic, these are the traffic which cannot afford the delay at a certain limit. As I hope you have also experienced, sometime we see the videos on YouTube, and if there is a congestion in the network, it's not coming so smoothly. Okay, so there is a quality degradation. So what we want to do is we want to assure, yes, when the traffic is coming from such kind of applications which are critical, it should be passed. So what makes the quality of service or QoS mandatory in the networks? There is say bandwidth, definitely every device is having the limited bandwidth. There's not unlimited bandwidth we have. Okay, so what traffic should get, how much bandwidth, we need to be sure about it. Okay, when the critical traffic is coming, they should get the bandwidth, proper bandwidth, how much that required. Another thing is delay. Delay can be from multiple factors. Due to multiple factors, there can be delay. Delay that can be, suppose the device is processing. Okay, they need to process the data, they need to place in a certain interface, uh, they need to segregate it. There are multiple things are happening on the device that can be delayed on the device, or there can be delay in the, say, on the network, other devices, there can be delay on the wire. Multiple delays are there. Okay, so this is also one of the factor we need to consider the quality of service. Another is loss. When there will be the congestion on the network, and the device to store the information is having a certain limit. They cannot store the data to be forward at a certain limit. Okay, and when it's like storage space is limited, and when the data is coming more than that, what it will do, it will drop it. So there is a loss of the data. Okay, another is jitter. Jitter is variation in the delay. Like when your traffic is passing through the network, there is no guarantee the next packet will be going to take the same delay. So delay can be different from one packet transfer to the another packet transfer. So these are the things. Due to these factors, we need to consider the quality of service. Clear? So here, when the traffic is coming from, say, voice traffic, video traffic, or the data traffic, what we are doing, we want to ensure, yes, when the voice traffic is coming, it cannot be delayed at a certain limit. If there will be delay, then we will not be able to hear properly. It will not be audible. Clear? And when the video traffic is coming, sometime for organization, video traffic is very important. Live streamings are going on, conferencings are going on. So at that time, these type of traffic we cannot delay. We need to give them priority over the normal traffic, because the bandwidth is limited here. Clear? So before the band say quality of service, what will happen? They are going to fight for getting the bandwidth. Okay, sometime a certain type of traffic is taking huge amount of the bandwidth, other is not getting, that is suffering from getting the bandwidth. Clear? So what we are doing here, first of all, we need to identify what are the critical type of traffic in our network, which devices are generating those type of traffic. Okay, identification of the traffic which are critical to your organization, then there will be the marking. Yes, how the devices come to know, yes, this is the traffic is coming from the critical device. Okay, so in quality of service or QoS, it's not a one thing, it's a set of technologies which comes together, playing their own role, and with the help of the collective effort, we are getting the quality of service. Okay, so first we are saying, okay, we have identified these are the important traffic for our organization, marking on them so that device can understand, yes, this is the traffic, I need to give certain attention on it. And then we'll say, okay, specific amount of bandwidth should be allocated when this traffic will arrive on the device. Clear? So what latency we know can afford this particular type of traffic, we need to identify. When we will do it, then device, what it will take the step, it is going to give or will give the assurity, yes, when this type of traffic will come, I'm going to give the special treatment to it. Okay, there can be the priority queue, there can be the traffic shaping, bandwidth management, how much the percentage of the bandwidth you want to give the certain traffic. Clear? And rest of the traffic we will say best effort, means whatever the bandwidth is available apart from these critical applications, then it will be distributed to the among the rest of the traffic. Okay, so when we will achieve the quality of service, then this will be the situation after the quality of service. Now assurity of how much bandwidth they should get it, at what priority basis they will get it. So these are the things in quality of services. If you want to enhance your knowledge in cybersecurity, there are more resources are available for you. Go and have access on that. On Limits India, there is a knowledge center where you can read the wonderful articles I have published here. So go and read those articles. If you want to make your career in cybersecurity, as a skilled cybersecurity professional, you can register here and I will contact you. Another resource is command guide for ethical hackers. If you want to enhance your skills for on the commands, then grab the command guide. For the guys who are willing to enhance their knowledge in networking, then they can also register to get the networking fundamentals materials. Yeah. Okay, there are another resources on CCNA security PowerPoint presentations are there. Go and grab. So I hope you understood the quality of service very well. So see you in the next session. Namaste.